people, so this is the finished look of this unit. Now, I am absolutely in love with this unit. Now, this unit was sent to me from OMGqueen So this is their Gabrielle Union styled bob. So basically the hairstyle is like a sexy wave. It's 12 inches long. It's 150% density. It is a natural color. It's virgin hair, and it's pre-plucked in the front. Now, this one does come with the elastic band I showed you guys in the beginning. So I did adjust that one and adjust the adjustable strap in the back. Now, this does come with about 4 inches of parting space. Now, this was already pre-parted for me, so I didn't do the middle. If I would have did it closer to the middle, about right here, you would get the real 4 inches. This is about 3.5 inches of parting space, right? Well, yeah, 3.5, or yeah, 3.5, or 3 3/4 of an inch of parting space right here. So it's pretty good. The best thing about this hair, guys, is the wave. Now, I review a lot of those angled bobs that are kind of like curly. Now, sometimes some companies will tell you it's a Gabrielle Union one, and it's kind of like a wavy texture. This is by far the best wavy texture bob that I've ever had. Now, this pattern is so pretty. So I did wet the front of it so I can show you guys what it looks like, to show you guys that the pattern in the front does replicate the pattern that was sent to me. So the back, I left it in its natural pattern. In the front, I just wet it a little bit just to keep a nice style. Now, I did not glue this unit down. All I did with this one was adjust the straps. I did put the combs on both sides right here, and I did put the comb in the back. Now, this is pretty glueless, guys. It lays pretty flat. All you have to do is just adjust the straps on this one to get it to lay flat. I did go in, tweeze the perimeter, and just did a few sweeps in it just to give you guys that baby hair magic, that kind of like realistic look or whatever. So I definitely think I did a pretty good job with that one. Now, you can see this wig. Like, look at this pretty wave. It's like a loose wave texture, and it's like the perfect length. I think that OMGqueen Hair did an excellent job on this. This is totally what I was looking for. This is definitely a wig that's going to be transitional into the autumn, fall. It's just like a nice style. I let this air dry, and it air dried for about like 5 minutes. It was quick. It dried up so quick. Now, as far as the products that I used for the hair, I did use a little bit of my flat iron balm just to preset it before I added the curling iron to the front of it. I did use a Cantu leave-in conditioner as a little bit of a conditioner just to give it a little bit of a lift and to define the curl pattern. You can see that this is the front where I wet, and this is the back that's just this natural package style, so you can see that it actually matches. And I also use the Aussie Instant Freeze as hairspray. So sometimes when I'll wet my hair and I let it air dry, in the process of it air drying, I'll spray it, so therefore it holds the pattern better. So that therefore I was able to hold that nice crispy kind of like loose wave texture. So I'm definitely feeling this hairstyle. I definitely want to say that this is definitely something to look out for. It's definitely inexpensive on the website, and it's just a regular lace front wig with all the amenities that you need. It fits perfectly. I did not glue this wig down and do any of that stuff, and it's just looking so fabulous. So definitely check down all the links down below. There will also be a coupon code, which I'll insert to the video right here. Now, do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.